Hello guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this practical video, I will guide you for 3 big mistakes in the construction of plinth beam. So let's get started guys. If you have any question related to this short video, so you can comments, I will respond you. First of all, I will tell you the size of this beam, which is 12 by 18 inches with concrete cover. You can see guys, this is plinth beam which is provided on the top of plinth level. If you see guys, we have 3 steel rods in upper portion of this plinth beam, which is compression zone, but in tension zone you can see they provided 2 steel rods, which is tension zone. If you see guys, this is one of the big mistake in the construction of this plinth beam. That's why, because at the bottom they provided 2 steel rods, in upper portion they provided 3 steel rods. But concrete is weak in tension, so therefore 3-4 steel rods are important to provide in bottom portion, and concrete is strong in compression, so therefore they should use minimum steel rods. They can also use 2 bars, but they did opposite of each other, so this is one of the big mistake. Next guys, you can see this is end of the beam. They didn't provide any development length for this plinth beam. So development length is very important to make a good bond between steel and concrete, but they provided simply, so they didn't provide any development length. If you see, look here, they don't have any development length. Next guys, you can see the spacing of stirrups, which is maximum about 9 to 10 inches. Look here guys, they used here 2 steel rods, dia is 16 millimeter, 3 steel rods in upper portion, dia is 16 millimeter. So therefore guys, if you see the stirrup dia is 6 millimeter here, so this is the other big mistake. That's why, because they should use minimum 8 millimeter dia of steel rod in the construction of stirrups. So therefore, if you see hooks are bent on 90 degree, it should be provided on 135 degree, because it can't resist with earthquake. So this is specially for earthquake we are providing to make 135 degree for this hooks, okay, but they did on 90 degree. If you see, the spacing is about 9 to 10 inches, so this is the maximum spacing for beam. So therefore the spacing at the distance of L by 4, it should be provided with maximum. So the maximum is here for this kind of building. That's why, because this is one of the mega project, so they should provide with the spacing of 100 mm or 4 inches, but unfortunately they placed at the spacing of 10 inches, or you can say this is about 300, this is about 250 millimeter. So this is other big mistake. Next guys, you can see for some beams they didn't provide the plinth level or DPC. So therefore, if you see guys, they provided the lapping here. So the lapping is about 12 inches. So this is also one of the big mistake, because the lapping you can provide from the formula of 50 to 60 D, where D is die of steel rod, but they don't know what is steel structure design. So therefore they did a lot of mistakes in the construction of this plinth beam. You can see the spacing is wrong, longitudinal bars for bottom and upper portion is wrong, development length they didn't provide, the stirrup hooks are did wrong. So everything is not okay here. But if you see the spacing of 2 columns, or the length of this beam is about 24 feet. So therefore they should provide extra steel rods at the distance of L by 4, but they don't know anything. They just did some construction without any structural design. So therefore they will face more problems in the future, especially for this construction. So this is a short video to guide you for some common mistakes in this practical video. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.